So again, Bitcoin has been stalling around this area for a while, and we're trading right below the value area high, and also the POC over here. You can see right here. So we're trading below the point of control, and I said in my yesterday's video that rotation back to the value area low is very likely, and also it aligns with the 618 level that I have mentioned in my yesterday's video. So I think we're gonna see another push to the downside, and then we're gonna see 74k, 75k. That's that was the plan, right? So it is still intact. Nothing has changed. So we're gonna see if Bitcoin does get hit the 618 level, and then see some kind of a reaction, and then push to the upside. So yeah, uh, this is CryptoMorv, and welcome to the video of Bitcoin LTF update. And let's talk about what's going on in the lower term time frame. So, right here, you can see Bitcoin has kind of forming some kind of a pattern, which is like exhausting price action. So, whenever a price action looks like this, it clearly means Bitcoin is, or any asset, it means it has exhausted. It needs liquidity to move. So I think Bitcoin might hit the 618 level, which also aligns with the low, with a 1 hourly low over here, this level, 64.4k. So it needs liquidity to move. We have this liquidity over here. We have the low term liquidity over here. We have this one over here. So for Bitcoin to move, I think Bitcoin has to go hit the 618 level, the value area low, the liquidity level, in order to get a nice fuel to at least go to 74k before moving back down. And I also said in my yesterday's video that Bitcoin might stall around here for longer. For example, we go here and then we just go to 73k and then just go down again and then just go up again. Just you'll see some kind of a consolidation choppy price action over here before moving back down in Q2. By the time Q1 is over, we should see Bitcoin like at least to 70k, above 70k. Yeah, that's the idea that Bitcoin just gonna chop around since it's a bear market, and we're not looking for like 100k, 90k. That's just a dream now. So first we have to see another big push to the downside to at least 45k, and then we will talk about the bull market again. Until that happens, Bitcoin is in a bear market, and we will keep talking about lower price targets. So the 618 level comes around 64.4k, and I'm hoping that Bitcoin comes here so I can open a long position. As you guys can see here, I'm already in a short position up from what, 69.6k, and I'm already up $200 on the trade. So I'm just gonna keep it this way, and I think I will open up a long position from like 65k, 64k, this region. So I'm just gonna keep this short trade for a longer period of time, but I'm gonna hedge the short with a long trade in case we move to the like upside. So yeah, if we go to the upside after 65k, that's good. I will take profits at 74k and just keep the short, and I'll add more into my short position. It's a good plan over here. I'm just gonna hedge my short like with every dead cat bounce we get. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm just gonna keep this trade this way. It's gonna run until Bitcoin actually hits 45k. My bear market target is 45k, and I think Bitcoin will hit 45k as a bottom, maybe lower, but yeah, I don't think Bitcoin would go lower than 40k. Maybe it gives a wick to 39k, 38k, but I think the bottom should be in like at like 40s in the 40s. So that's basically the idea right here. We're kind of forming a local bottom over here, and we will see a smaller version of this price action over here, the price action we had from November to January. So we will see a smaller version over here. That's what I said in my previous video. So nothing has changed. We will just trade on the same idea until it actually invalidates. That's basically it. And the liquidation heat map says we can go back to 64.4k. We have some liquidity over here and then push to the upside. And the price action looks weak, so it is more likely that we're going to see a push to the downside, sweep the liquidity from 618 level lows, 64.4k lows, and then hit the Fibonacci level and then go to the upside. And if you look at the fear and greed index over here, you can see that where's the VIX? Yeah, the VIX is above the 50-day moving average, which is a bad thing to see, because whenever it goes up, uh, it kind of like gives us a warning that volatility has been increasing, and it can like violate the markets, you know. And today is CPI, so something can happen today at 11th February. So I'm looking forward to it. I think a dump is gonna happen today, like by like New York Open, and the Bitcoin ETFs are slightly positive. The BlackRock hasn't arrived yet, but yeah, it's slightly positive, not too bad, but yeah, it looks like it is like topping out, something like that, local top. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing more to show. We're expecting like a fall to 64.4k, and then we'll see another push to the upside. We'll we will talk about it later. But for now, that's pretty much it. And I do not think there's nothing else to anything else to show over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. And if you want to join our free VIP Discord group, just check the link in the description and just join the free VIP Discord. You don't have to pay me any money. Just trade with us. That's all we need. We have to like go to my Discord and join our like free VIP Discord just by signing up on BTC and just trade with us. Trade you as you already do. So just like I trade right here. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you manage your risk. Peace.